Hurricane made this one. Let the band play.
While the US has three major carriers, AT&T, T-Mobile and Verizon, they aren't always the cheapest. You see, phone plans are mostly split into two categories, prepaid and postpaid. Prepaid is where you pay for your service before you use it, postpaid is paying for it after you get the service. Naturally, prepaid normally has no credit check while postpaid does. The other big difference is that postpaid generally offers more features and they also get priority on the network. This is important in areas that are very congested. Typically, postpaid customers get priority, followed by the carrier's own prepaid customers and then MVNOs. So, I've said all that to say that you can be spending a lot less on your phone bill every month. And we are here to show you the best cheap phone plans that are currently available. The overall best cheap cell phone plan. Our pick for the best cheap cell phone plan goes to Mint Mobile. There's a good chance that you've heard of them before. They've done quite a few popular commercials with actor Ryan Reynolds, who owns the company. Mint Mobile is our pick for the best cheap phone plan because you can get service for just $15 per month. Now there is an asterisk there. As Mint Mobile has you pay 3 months at a time, so you're paying $45 for 3 months of service, which equals $15 per month. That's still a fraction of what you'd pay at the big carriers though. Mint Mobile offers unlimited talk and text along with 4 gigabytes of data on 5G and 4G LTE networks, here for $15 per month. There are other plans that offer 10 gigabytes, 15 gigabytes and unlimited data. Unlimited data will slow after 35 gigabytes per month. It's also important to note here that Mint Mobile runs on T-Mobile's network and towers, so you will have the assurance knowing you will backed by the most reliable and robust 5G and 4G wireless network in the country. Here at eSIM Studios, we chose Mint Mobile for our wireless service provider. If you are thinking of choosing Mint Mobile as well, please see our link in the description box below where we will get you 3 free months of unlimited service plus $15 off as well if you plan on extending your service with Mint Mobile. The deal is way too good to pass up. Again, you can only get this free service by clicking the link in our description box below. Now let's see some of the other options for cheap wireless service. The absolute cheapest phone plan. Believe it or not, there are plans that are even cheaper than Mint Mobile, and that would be because you can actually get a plan that is as low as $5 per month, which offers 500 megabytes of data and no call minutes, usually for tablets. But the more popular plan will be $10, which is 1 gigabyte of data and unlimited minutes. Tello lets you choose how many minutes you want. This is good for those that don't talk on the phone much. And also your data, which includes 500 megabytes, 1 gigabytes, 2 gigabytes, 5 gigabytes, 10 gigabytes and unlimited data. Unlimited talk, text and data will cost you $29, which is not bad at all. Tello Mobile runs on T-Mobile's network as well, however, they receive second and third priority behind T-Mobile obviously and Mint Mobile. The higher you pay for your data, the more the carrier prioritizes your data. The best plan running on AT&T's network. All of the carriers have their own MVNOs these days, and AT&T has Cricket, which is a really impressive MVNO. Cricket has plans that start at just $30 per month. This includes 5 gigabytes of data and unlimited talk and text. Plans go up to $60 for unlimited data and 15 gigabytes of mobile hotspot. You can also get just unlimited data without a hotspot for $55 per month. Customers on Cricket's most expensive plan also get HBO Max with ads included for free. So it may be worth it to spend that extra $5 for the more expensive unlimited plan. As mentioned, Cricket does run on AT&T's network. And unlike some of the other MVNOs out there, Cricket will get priority since AT&T owns it as well. The best cheap plan on Verizon's network. Visible is an interesting MVNO, owned by Verizon. It markets itself as an app, and not as a carrier. Because it uses eSIM, it is super easy to switch over and get started with Visible. And because it uses Verizon, that means that you can bring over virtually any unlocked phone to use on Verizon's network. Visible has 2 plans, Visible and Visible Plus. The regular Visible plan is $30 per month and only includes the basics. That's unlimited talk, text, data and hotspot. The caveat on the hotspot is that speeds are limited to just 5 megabit per second. You'll also get unlimited talk and text to Mexico and Canada. Visible Plus offers all that, plus a bit more for $45 per month. You also get 5G ultra-wideband, that's C-band and millimeter wave. as well as unlimited talk, text and data roaming in Mexico and Canada, international calling from US to 30 plus countries, and international texting from US to 200 plus countries. So those that travel a lot or have families in other countries in North America, the Visible Plus plan is worth the price. These prices all come with taxes and fees included too. The best plan running on T-Mobile's network. Finally, we have Metro by T-Mobile. Also owned by T-Mobile, as you might expect from the name. This is formerly Metrops and finally renamed to Metro by T-Mobile a couple years ago. Metro by T-Mobile has 3 plans available, all of which are unlimited, starting at $40 per month. And if you're eligible for the Affordable Connectivity Program, you can get up to $30 off. The first unlimited plan is $40 per month and gives you unlimited talk, text and data, as well as access to T-Mobile Tuesdays, Scam Shield and a 1-year subscription to ViX. Next up is a $50 per month plan, which includes everything from the cheaper plan, but you get 5 gigabytes of hotspot data and 100 gigabytes of Google One storage. Finally, there's the $60 per month plan, which includes everything from the cheaper $50 plan, but hotspot data is bumped up to 15 gigabytes and you also get Amazon Prime included, which is a really big deal. Of course, Metro by T-Mobile runs on T-Mobile's network and does get access to its full 5G network. We thank you for joining us today. Our list of the very best cheap wireless deals of 2023 was complied from us crunching the data and numbers as well as personal experience with using some of these on the list. Again, we believe Mint Mobile is the best option for our situation and most of our viewers' situation. Remember, results will vary depending on where you live. We are in a big metro city, and if you live outside of a city, please do your own research and look at data maps and charts of each wireless carrier in consideration. Don't forget the free 3 months of service with Mint Mobile link in the description box. Oh, one last thing. Your device will need to be network unlocked if you are switching carriers or switching to a cheaper wireless carrier. A Verizon phone still under or within its 2-year contract will not work with a Mint Mobile or a Metro or even Tello. You must get your device network SIM unlocked before switching wireless carriers, or else your new SIM card the new wireless carrier provides will be blocked by the original carrier and will not work. Common rule of thumb is if you have a phone that originated from T-Mobile, it will still work with Tello, Metro or Mint Mobile since they all run on T-Mobile network. A Verizon phone will work on Visible without having to be network unlocked since the device is already programmed for Verizon's network. It is only if you take a Verizon phone and you are trying to use it with Mint or Tello or Metro service is when you need to get the device unlocked. If your device is provisioned to work on a major carrier, you can get service from a smaller, cheaper carrier using the original carrier's service. Please be aware of what phone you have, what carrier it originated from, and if you already have an Apple unlocked iPhone straight from Apple or a Samsung unlocked Galaxy straight from Samsung's website. Thank you.